Hey there everyone and welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to get your Tamara card step by step. So without further ado, let's get started. Alright, so first of all, sign up for Tamara account. You can download the Tamara app or visit their website. You will need to provide your phone number, ID, payment card details, and email address. And keep in mind that you must be over 18 and legal resident of Saudi Arabia, UAE, or Kuwait. Alright? Alright, so if you're using Tamara app, open your Tamara app. Alright, so here, as you can see, as been said here, you will need to go to my Tamara card section when you finally created an account and activate it in just a few steps. And now, when paying in store, just open the Tamara app and go to my Tamara card. Then select your card plan. Pay in full or split up to 4. And then tap on your phone on the POS machine to complete your payment. And that's it. Now you know how to get any start using your Tamara card quickly and easily.